Unemployment data that will come out later today would make Bitcoin go closer to 50k. But I think that if that will happen, it will only be for a short time, probably a few days or a week. So it looks like the expected unemployment rate is going to be around 4.2. But I think that if this comes a bit higher, then chances are that Bitcoin will go a bit lower, but I don't think it's going to be for a long time. If we take a look at the previous report, it was released in 2nd August. It's here, yes. And we see that Bitcoin was around 65k, and it went down to around 55. So I think that it's possible to play the same scenario now, but I don't think it's very likely, but I think that it's definitely possible. So markets could go lower. I'm not concerned about that, because if they will go lower, I'm planning to buy a little bit more aggressively, because I'm building a portfolio which started from $2,000, and I made deposits over the last 6 weeks or something like that, and I invested them in projects that I think that are very solid. And if you want to follow along, and if you want to see how my portfolio is going to do in the future, in 1 or 2 years from now, you can just subscribe. But of course, I have to remind you that this is not financial advice. This is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. This is just what I'm doing with my money. I think that you should be very careful with what you are doing. I think that you should be very careful with where you are investing and who you are listening to. I think it's very important to do your own due diligence. And if you find any valuable information in my channel, please subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.